friends, today we are going to draw and color this school building together. Let's start. First I am going to draw a triangle. Drawing school building is so much fun. Please draw with me. Now I am drawing the roof of the school building. Do you like to go to school? I love school. I have so many friends at school. Now I am going to draw the walls. Make two straight lines. Join them. Now I am going to make the pillars. Wow, I am having so much fun drawing school building. Now let's draw a school gate. My school has a very big gate. Wow, it is already looking so good. Do you like it? I love going to school. Do you have fun at school? Now I am going to draw the windows. Our school building has 4 windows, each side. If you count them together, we have 8 windows. I am having so much fun drawing it. Are you drawing it too? Now I am making a window on the top. My school have a very big clock on top. Wow, the clock is looking so good. Now let's color it. Red. Orange. I don't like the red color on top. What do you think? Should we change it? Oh, pink. I am thinking of changing this color. Oh, look, let's make it red. Red looks more good. Orange. Now it's looking much better. What do you think? Red. Green.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo.
Yellow. Yellow is my favorite color.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my
What's your favorite color? Blue.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
I love drawing and painting so much. Do you like it too?
To my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Pink.
Skip to my loo, my
Oh,
darling.
look, we have a pink clock.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my
Light
loo,
pink.
loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo.
We are almost
To
there.
my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true.
Brown.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo,
Red.
loo,
Oh, it's not a red. Silly me. It's a pink. Orange. Red. Green. Pink. Yellow.